Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make a paper boat or one of these little frog things, whatever you want to call them, see? So what you'll need, piece of paper of course, with the fold it in half, fold it in half perfectly. Okay. Now you'll go towards like this, and you'll look at this side and bring it down. So it looks like this, and do it to this side. And now, so it's like this. Bring one flap up and crease it, do it to the back. Okay, so it's a half technically. And then you open it, the bottom, and then you would go like this, you would open it and push down. Okay. Then you would grab one side, go up, and then do back. Go up to the back of it. And then, there you go. And then open it and then go down. That's how you did to the hat. And then fold it this way for the frog. See, fold it. It's like this. What? And then it's a little frog. Or if you want it, just go backwards. And then go to this side and then boom. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, bye.